Workbenches are not new inventions by any means, but modern devices and techniques have made portable workbenches more suitable for modern uses. Portable workbenches serve as an extra set of hands, with clamping systems that hold lumber, metal pipes, and other materials firmly in place. There are many products available to choose the best portable workbenches, each with different characteristics, benefits, and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Worx WX066 Sidekick Portable Work Table. With its lightweight adjustability for various applications and sturdy build, the Pegasus from Worx is an excellent option for DIers with space limitations or a pro working at a remote job site. This workbench, made of high-grade plastic with lockable legs, can support up to 300 pounds when in work table mode. A set of quick clamps and holding clamps that work with 2 T-strips integrated into the bench top provide ample clamping power for large dimensional lumber. We also liked that we were able to link this table to other Worx tables, providing a longer work surface. Also, popping the wings down to use this workbench as a sawhorse is a breeze. Our only complaint is that it should have a carrying handle at 30 pounds. Number 2. Kreg Mobile Project Center. For those who are looking for a premium portable workbench, you will be interested in the Kreg KWS1000 Mobile Project Center. This model is highly versatile, portable, and comes with a number of helpful accessories and features. It is made with heavy-gauge steel legs, which provides the portable workbench a solid foundation even during use. Additionally, the table has a hole pattern on the top. This allows the table to accept bench dogs and other accessories, making the model more useful and functional. More so, this model comes with auto-adjust bench clamps and bench dogs. Despite all this, it does not fold into a completely flat surface, which we didn't like. Also, it's heavier than other models on this list. Number 3. Keter Folding Table Workbench. Another good portable workbench to check out is the Keter 197283 Folding Table Workbench. This model is highly durable, easy to set up, includes additional accessories, and provides more surface area than some of the other options on this list. Notably, the Keter 197283 is made from resin, allowing it to be heavy-duty and durable. It is also weather-resistant since it prevents rusting, peeling, and denting. The main downside of the Keter 197283 is that it is much bulkier and heavier than some of the other models. Although its large capacity is helpful if you need more surface area, it can be more difficult to carry and store. It's pricier, too. Number 4. Performance Tool W54025 Portable Workbench. The Performance Tool W54025 Portable Workbench is another good portable workbench to check out. This model is highly compact, and the tabletop comes with a number of features that make it more useful and convenient for use. One of the most helpful features of the Performance Tool W54025 is that it is highly compact. This model also comes with a one-handed clamp system that makes adjustments easy, and the jaws resist warping so that it can be angled to accommodate unique materials. The main downside of this workbench is that it only has a 200-pound working load, which is much smaller than the other models on this list. More so, this workbench is not made from durable materials, meaning that it can break easily. Number 5. Disston OmniTable 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. Finally, the last portable workbench on our list is the Disston 30140A OmniTable 4-in-1 Portable Workbench. This workbench is compact, portable, and sturdy. As the name suggests, it also comes with additional features and has 4 uses that make this product more efficient for a variety of needs. With that being said, there are a few downsides to the Disston 30140A as well. Although the table claims to have a 500-pound capacity, some models break under the weight of the average adult male. The reason that the Disston 30140A breaks is that it is made from cheap materials. This causes the bench to be unstable. Despite its cheap materials, it is also heavier than other models. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.